Hello everyone, welcome to my channel B for Banking Awareness. Today it's our second lesson and in this lecture we are going to discuss about history of computers. Before going to study more about this topic, always keep in mind that two things. First one is you have to remember all the points because many times from this topic, there were 2 to 3 questions in the exam, and there are many chances in the exam that question will come from this topic. Next thing is the point given in this lecture by me are very important because the questions are from only these points which are collectively recorded by me, and there are many chances the question will come from only these points too. So let's study. Name of first calculating machine was abacus. It was first calculation machine, not a fastest calculating machine. Next is Blaise Pascal invented Pascaline, and he was the first person who made calculating machine. Gottfried invented Renoking machine. There are two chances that question will come in two ways. That is, Renoking machine was invented by, it was Gottfried, and Gottfried invented which machine? It was Renoking machine. बच्चे बहुत बार स्टडी करते वक्त सिर्फ सिंपल वे में स्टडी करते. दे डोंट थिंक दैट कि क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क इन टू वेज. SBI क्लर्क में जब क्वेश्चन करंट अफेयर से आए थे तो जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन था उसमें से उन्होंने सेम इंफॉर्मेशन यूज़ करके डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज में क्वेश्चन पूछा था. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वाइल स्टडिंग, आपको दोनों साइड से उस पर थिंक करना है एंड क्वेश्चन के अबाउट में सोचना है. नेक्स्ट वन इज जोसेफ जैक्वार्ड मेड जैक्वार्ड लूम, and you have to remember the question can become as Jacquard loom was invented by whom? The question answer will be Joseph Jacquard. Then Charles Babbage invented difference machine in 1882 and analytical engine in 1834. An analytical engine was the fastest calculating machine and first mechanical computer. So यहाँ से क्वेश्चन 4 to 5 आपको मिल सकते हैं. दैट इज चार्ल्स बैबेज ने डिफरेंस इंजन बनाया इन द ईयर 1882. देन चार्ल्स बैबेज ने ही एनालिटिकल इंजन बनाया 1834 में, एंड एनालिटिकल इंजन वाज फास्टेस्ट कैलकुलेटिंग मशीन. देन एनालिटिकल इंजन वाज फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल कंप्यूटर. देन ये होने के बाद एनालिटिकल इंजन 1855 में पेरिस एग्जीबिशन में फर्स्ट टाइम डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया गया. सो दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. नेक्स्ट इज लेडी अगस्टा, और वी कैन से हर नेम आफ्टर मैरिज. इट वॉज लेडी लवलेस. शी वॉज द first lady programmer, or we can say she was the first programmer. Howard Aiken invented Mark I, that is, it was first computer and it belongs to IBM. What is full form of IBM? It is International Business Machine, and IBM is oldest computer industry, or we can say as oldest computer company. Next is John Antonosoff invented ABC, that is Antonosoff-Nassik computer, and it was first digital computer. So all this point you have to remember time to time. Based on this information, I made a chart. Manual calculator was invented in 2600 BC by Chinese group, and it was named as abacus, and it was in China. Then next came mechanical calculator. It was just a calculator, and then it came as adding machine. Mechanical calculator was invented in 1500 AD and it was made by Leonardo Vinci. Next, adding machine was invented in 1682 AD and it was by Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal, also known as Pascaline. रिमेंबर, मैनुअल कैलकुलेटर फर्स्ट आया था, देन उसके बाद मैकेनिकल कैलकुलेटर आया था, देन उसके बाद एडिंग मशीन आया था. नेक्स्ट इज चार्ल्स बैबेज, called as father of computer and also model of computer. Question can be asked as who was called as model of computer or father of computer? The answer will be Charles Babbage. First mechanical calculator was analytical engine and its name was abacus. First electronic computer was ENIAC. Its long form can be asked in exam many times, that is electronic, numeric, integrator and calculator. Second electronic computer was EDVAC, that is electric, discrete, variable, automatic computer. Then question can be asked as who was grandfather of computer? It was Charles Babbage. Who was modern father of computer? It was Alan Turing. Three things you have to remember: Charles Babbage as father of computer, Charles Babbage as grandfather of computer too, and next is modern father of computer was Alan Turing. Next is first fully electronic computer was introduced in 1940. Computer works by receiving and giving instructions. Then main and basic function of computer is to run the programs. What is processing? It is performing operations on or manipulating data. What is output? It is result of data processing. डेटा प्रोसेसिंग होने के बाद जो रिजल्ट आता है वी कैन कॉल इट एज आउटपुट. देन स्पीड ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज मेजर्ड इन मेगाहर्ट्ज और गीगाहर्ट्ज. पहले जो कंप्यूटर थे उसकी स्पीड मेजर की जाती थी मेगाहर्ट्ज में. नाउ अ डेज कंप्यूटर स्पीड इज मेजर्ड इन गीगाहर्ट्ज. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बिकॉज अगर एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चन आता है एंड वहाँ पे दोनों भी आपको ऑप्शन दिए जाते हैं, दैट इज़ मेगाहर्ट्ज और गीगाहर्ट्ज, you have to remember that the answer will be gigahertz. Next is megahertz, abbreviation is millions machine cycles per second. Then PC का speed nowadays is 500 megahertz. All the points given by me in this lecture are very very important and you have to remember them time to time. Keep studying. Thank you.